Every creator keeps asking the same question. When you upload a YouTube video, should you publish it as public, private, scheduled, or unlisted? Some people say public gives you instant reach. Others say private helps YouTube process the video better. Some swear by scheduling, and others upload as unlisted first. So what is the truth, and what should you actually do? Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I upload videos that teaches tips, strategies, and insights on how to grow on social media. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Join our community and let's grow together. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let me clear this up once and for all. Firstly, here is what really matters. YouTube does not rank your video based on whether it was uploaded as public, private, scheduled, or unlisted. What YouTube actually cares about is how people react after the video becomes public. The watch time, click-through rate, engagement, and how long viewers stay on the platform. Anyone that tells you people who publish their videos as either private, scheduled, or unlisted gets more advantage from the YouTube algorithm when the video becomes public than those who don't. That may be a lie. They are not telling you the truth. Let us break down each option. Private is best when you are still working on the video. Maybe you want to upload early, fix your title description or thumbnail, or review everything before anyone sees it. Private videos are not evaluated by the algorithm. Nothing happens until you make it public. Unlisted is useful if you want to test the video, share it with a friend, or preview it on another platform. But here is the mistake many creators make. If you send unlisted links to people who do not fully watch the video, that early low watch time can hurt performance once you make it public. So be careful with unlisted. Then scheduled scheduling is simply YouTube making your video public at a set time. It does not boost your video. It does not hurt your video. The only advantage is consistency. If your audience knows when you post, they are more likely to click fast. And that early activity helps the algorithm. What about public? Publishing as public is what actually starts the algorithm. The moment your video goes public, YouTube begins testing it with small groups of viewers. If they click, if they watch, if they engage, YouTube pushes it to more people. So what should you actually do? Here is the best practice. Upload your video as private. Optimize everything. Title, description, tags, thumbnail, and any other thing. Then schedule it for a time when your audience is most active and let it go public naturally. Do not rush. Do not overthink it. The upload setting does not make your video successful. The content does. If your video is good, YouTube will push it. If it is not, no upload trick will save it. Focus on value. Focus on retention. Focus on your audience. That is how real growth happens. YouTube is not hiding anything from you. The algorithm has its own set of rules on how to interact with videos published on any category. So don't think you can play it around with your tricks. That may not work, and you may be missing some viewers that moment you kept the video to yourself. If this video helped you, remember to subscribe this channel for more YouTube growth strategies. Like, share this video to someone who needs it, and I will see you in my next video.